Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about the Kathleen Lights x Colourpop Magnificent Eyeshadow Palette. Now I have a giveaway going on my Instagram right now where you can win one of these palettes and a lot of other products. So if you guys want to enter that, I will leave that in my description box. It is running until the 9th of January, so 1 week. I did launch it 2 days ago. So if you guys want to go enter, just make sure you go click the link in my description. Without further ado guys, let's get into this tutorial. Alrighty guys, so starting off the tutorial, I have already primed my eyes with the Colourpop concealer in Fair Neutral. I feel a little off because I'm so not used to seeing blue hair. I feel like a smurf. Doing new stuff, I'm trying out new things. Alrighty guys, so starting off, I'm going to be taking the shade Water Barrier. It's just this nice orangey copper shade. I'm going to apply this all over my lid as well. So I'm just going to be using a flat shader brush. So when I was doing my first eye, this shadow is so pigmented. Like, this is so much more pigmented and so easy to blend, and you don't get that kind of gradient color that like fucks up when you blend it. It looks really, really nice. And I think for Colourpop shadows, I will leave all the pricing down below, but off the top of my head, I think this was about $16 US, which to me is more than affordable. So I'm just taking this furless brush, which is the ME3. Oh, I love these furless brushes, guys. They're so amazing. To create the inner corner kind of cut crease, I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D Tattoo Concealer, and I'm just going to be applying this on the back of my hand. I'm just going to be using my concealer brush, which is this brush here, and I'm just going to go in and cut just like the inner corner. I'm going to be taking the shade Potion, and I'm going to be applying this all over my outer bit of my lid. So just here. Mermaid Boy, and I'm just going to be applying this all in my inner corner area. For that, I'm going to be taking also my black eyeshadow, which is the only thing this palette really lacked, unfortunately. But that's easy because I use my MAC Carbon eyeshadow. So I've just done the base of my eye, so I'm going to apply my mascara and then start moving on to the rest of my foundation, etc. So I really, really friggin' love this palette. I'm going to go in with the Becca Skin Perfector in Moonstone, just as like a nice illuminating base, because I feel like doing something a bit different today, because I am now a mermaid. I've decided for 2018 I want to be a mermaid, so if everyone can just support my decision, that would be great. Now with my Born This Way foundation, I am in the shade Vanilla. I say I have washed my beauty blender, and my beauty blender still smells like the Huda Beauty foundation. Now that is a problem. I can't. It smells like an old lady. Conceal today, I'm going to be using the Colourpop concealer in Fair 5. And so I'm going to blend out my head, my forehead. As I said, underneath my eyes, I'm going to be using my Becca blurring powder in the shade Pink Haze. You got, oh, I just spilt it fucking everywhere. That's great. This is the Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer from Too Faced. I haven't used this in a hot minute just because I've been so obsessed with the Model's Own, but I thought, you know what, I want to try, you know, some of my old favorites out. Again, a bit of blush on. So today I'm going to be using the Hard Candy blush in Living Doll. I haven't used this in forever. Literally, I picked this up when I was in LA last, and I just haven't used it. How like you go through your whole makeup collection and you're like, why haven't I used that? For highlighter today, I'm going to be going in with my Hourglass Ambient Highlight in Iridescent. So I've just finished off underneath my eyes. I'm going to go now apply my lashes off camera. But today I'm going to be using the Alchemy Beauty lashes. They are my new favorite. They are vegan, foaming, everything, and they give me such a beautiful lash. My eyelashes on. I feel like I could fly away to the gods. You know, flutter away from the haters, flutter away from all the fake friends, and then we're good to go. I really want to pair this with a nude lip. I hope you guys don't mind. Yeah, I think it could look really, really cool with like the coloring of my hair and stuff with the red. But today I'm going to be using the ColourPop Matte Liquid Lip in Shorty, and then I might put a gloss over it. I'll see how I feel, and then I'm going to be back and basically reveal this look. Alrighty guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love how this look turned out. The standout piece is definitely the eyeshadow palette. I think for the money and for the amount of eyeshadows you get, my favorites are definitely those duochrome greens. I'm loving greens and teals and all that right now, mixing it with like warm tones. I think it's really, really cool and it's something different. I really do like the palette. I think the amount of shadows you get for the price is, you know, like you can't beat that. I feel like the Huda Beauty shadows, where you're paying $90 Australian for a big palette, are nowhere near as pigmented or blendable as the ColourPop one. They're not as, you know, patchy, and you don't have to work with them as much as the Huda Beauty ones. And the Huda Beauty ones, you're paying more. So overall, I can't really fault them. There is a bit of fallout, which is just normal. I hope you guys do too. So until my next video, guys, I will see you all then. Bye.